In this video, we're going to learn two different ways that we can go shopping at Chedraui. Through the last 2 years, we've learned that staying out of a grocery store can be less expensive, easier if you have small or active children, a lot easier if you have older people that you need to take shopping with you, and if you have no car, you do save a lot on taxi by not having to go to the grocery store and just going to the little produce places around your home. There are two ways to shop, and the first one is like this. Get in the car, get in a taxi, and physically go there to do your shopping. But that's not what I like. I like to shop at Chedraui this way, right online. See my name up there? Hola, Cynthia. And I shop this way, and I'll show you in a few seconds about that also. But this is in Bahias de Huatulco, and it is our Coppel Chedraui Mall. Across the street on the left is the IMSS hospital, and on the right is the administration office and where you register to be a member of the IMSS. That's Chahue Blvd. The main drag goes all the way actually to the airport and further. So here is our parking lot for Chedraui, and there is to the left the movie theater. This particular Chedraui has a Domino's pizza. It has about 3 different eyeglass centers. One of them belongs to Chedraui, the other is Delvyn. There are 2 shoe stores. One is Flexi. As you can see, Telcel has their sign up there. It's on the right entrance of Chedraui. And that's where you get your little SIMS card, and you can get other phones there as well. The Telmex gas station you just saw there at the end of the mall, and right there, the pink building across the street is infinitum Telmex Internet, where you pay for your internet. The white building there is an OXXO, where most people stop to get their refreshments and snacks for the beach. It's a very busy location. Okay, let's turn around and go back and see what else we can see. So this is the entrance for Chedraui with Telcel on the right. Right now it's being used as the exit, but after the health situation it should change. We're going to pass the Domino Pizza. There's a laundromat in there, and above the laundromat I believe you can have copies made. There are a lot of motor scooters and ATVs for sale. As you go into this entrance to the right, you will find the ATVs and the scooters right after you go through the entrance. This used to be an Irish pub, and I think it had pretty good food, but it didn't have enough tourists to keep up the rent, and it's gone out of business. Maybe it'll go back into business now that things are getting back to normal. And this is Coppel. Well, I like to also shop in Coppel and in Chedraui online. I can do it when I have time and any time of day or night. This is what I ordered, and I want to tell you about it. Fresh strawberries, vegetarian soya chorizo, fabuloso. I like the purple one for cleaning the floors. Blueberries frozen. I did not like these grated carrots. I got 2 bags, washed one and just cooked them, didn't eat them raw, and the other bag I threw away. And then we have frozen julienne vegetables, celery hearts organic. So they're organic, they're small, but you do have to clean them. I found a little insect in there, and that's normal. They're organic. Sweet peas frozen because we can't get them year round here. I like little packages of like wet ones, antibacterial ones for the tables in the restaurants right now. Frozen strawberries and Greek yogurt, natural, no sugar, yum. And then there was this new product, Fabulosa Disinfectant Clear, just for cleaning multi-surfaces, and I wanted to try that out. Okay, so let's look at prices. So let's see. The Fabuloso that was purple was $1.67. The new clear Fabuloso disinfectant, $1.47. The little packages of disinfectant wipes, 72 cents each. I thought that was high. The vegetarian chorizo, $3.30. I would expect that. The carrots that were grated were $1.14, and I'm sorry I bought them. The organic celery was $1.29. The fresh strawberries were $2.96. The wonderful yogurt was $3.48. Fresh strawberries, half of a kilo, $2.65. The frozen peas, $2.68, really expensive. The blueberries frozen, $3.32. And the mixed julienne vegetables, they were $2.29. I forgot to type it. So the home delivery service de reportado, 38 pesos or $2.24. All came to 712 pesos or $34. So I like to shop online, and you can pick any of the 2-hour windows for them to deliver. And they take PayPal. That's it. Be sure to subscribe to learn about life in Huatulco and to learn about retiring in Mexico also, because we do share 25 years experience with you. Do you need a virtual mailbox so you can take care of business and personal communication on a daily basis? Are you interested in expat or nomad insurance that's highly affordable? Click our links below. We'll be back soon.